inventory using FIFO method. An inventory record card shows the following details. April 1, 40 units in stock at a cost of $20 per unit. April 6, 90 units purchased at a cost of $35 per unit. April 15, 50 units sold. April 22nd, 80 units purchased at a cost of $30 per unit. April 27, 75 units sold. What is the value of inventory at 30 April using the FIFO method? Answer: total purchase and beginning inventory in unit equals 40 plus 90 plus 80 equals 210 units. Total sale in unit equals 50 plus 75 equals 125 units. Closing inventory in unit. 210 minus 125 equals 85 units. Closing inventory in US dollars equals 2,575. 5 units at $35 and 80 units at $30.